Hey everybody, it's Eva with Budget Your Life. Welcome or welcome back to my channel. Welcome to day 22 of loving my minis in February. I am making great strides in getting through my stash of minis. So I have $8 here today, and we are going to put this into my bank right here. And I got this adorable dashboard and the prop monies and all that from Kimmy over at Kimmy's Corner, and she already has her March ones up. I am using the March one from Brittany over at Budgeting with Ginger. So I'm excited to get those out, but I have to cut them up. So I have to cut them first, and then I'll be excited. So let's grab our $8 in prop coins that we will disperse between all of these envelopes. And we have, I guess it looks like we're going to start at number 1. So that's kind of cool. So I'm just going to give these a little mix up. All right, and then we'll roll a D3, and however many it rolls, I'll put that many prop coins down. So one is getting 3, 2 is getting 1, 3 is getting 2, 4 is getting 3, 6 is getting 1, 3 is getting 7, or 7 is getting 3. Oh my goodness, 2 for number 8. Going back to 1. 1, 2, and 3 for 1. 1 for 2. 1, 2, and 3 for 3, which always makes me happy. 1, 2, and 3 for number 4. 1, 2, and 3 for 5. And that's what we have. So we'll start tomorrow at number 6. Okay. Let's go to number 1. Let's make a little bit of room over here. All right, so 1 got 25, 25, 25, 25. So $1.75 for number 1. That's pretty good. Oh, that's this little one. Okay. So we have 25, 50, and 75. So that's those. Move that right there. And then we have 25, 50, 75, and $1 for that. I'm going to color those in, and I'll be right back. There we go. These super cute ones are from Bonnie over at Bonfire Budgets. I got it in some Happy Mail this past week where I opened it up on my live. So we have 50 cents going into number 2. And this one is from Candy over at Stuff and Budget. So I can finish out the stars here. Perfect. So 50 cents done. And Candy from Stuff and Budget will help us save $4. All right, let's see. 3 got $1.25. And this one's from Becca Budget 777, so $1.25. So we can do that whole row and then this one. Cute. That'll save us $6. All right, and then number 4 got $1.50. Oh, and it just needed 50 cents. This is Save with Jason from Spooky Budgets. So 25 and 50. So we have $1 we get to put into another challenge. So that one's done. I'm probably going to need to fill up our queue soon. Oops, I have 2. All right, this one is from Becca Budget 777. So we can do the whole top row. All right, so $1 going into this one. This will save us $3. All right, number 5 got 75 cents. Oh, from Lindsay at Bookish Mama Budgets, we can do 3 circles. Adorable. All right, number 6 got 25 cents. This one is from Lindsay at Bookish Mama Budgets. So we got one more tree filled in. And then number 7 got $1.25. And it just needed 50 cents. So I can put that in there. So we have 75 cents we can put to something else. All right, so that saved us $3. And here's another one from our beautiful budgets. So I can do three spots. So I'm going to do right here. So that will save us $6. And then last but not least, we have number 8, which got 50 and 25 for 75 cents. This one is from Greta at Agape Book Club. So we can do 25, 50, and 75. Yay. Flying through them. All right, so let's go back up here. All the 50 cents keep ending up at the back, so I don't know. There. Did a little mix up this time, and I'll do another one before we start next time. All right, day 22. We finished, let's see, we have 3 and 3, so $6. So 5 and 6. Come back to completed. Shove that in there, and then 2 more challenges going in here. Yay! Successful day 22. It's getting harder to close, but we can still close it. So thank you guys again for being here. I hope you have a great rest of your day. And until next time, take care. Bye.